Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here now with another tutorial on this neutral cut crease, which is very easy to achieve. So if you guys like it, then please keep watching. So for today's look, I'll be using this You Had Me at Hello palette from Colourpop. And first I'll be going with this dark brown shade, and I'm placing it on the outer corner and a little bit above my crease where I'm going to be cutting my crease. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I have hooded eyes and I like to go a little bit higher so my eyeshadow doesn't transfer throughout the day. Next, I'll be going with this lighter brown shade, and using Morphe 506 small blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of the dark color. The shadows are very easy to work with, and honestly I could just keep blending that second shade for a nice transition, but just because there is a lighter shade in the palette, I'm gonna use it, and I'm just gonna go around the edges of the second color. Next, I'll be using all the same three shades on my lower lash line, going from light to dark. It really doesn't matter, you can also start with a dark shade. I'm also using all the same brushes that I used on my lid. This is Morphe 506, and then I'm gonna go with a small crease brush from Makeup Geek. You can make this look a lot more intense using black shadow instead of brown, but if smoky eye is something that you struggle with, I would definitely recommend trying browns first, because brown shades are the easiest to work with and they're always very blendable. Next, to cut the crease, I'll be using my favorite Anastasia No. 18 concealer brush and Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow. I'm still waiting to try one of those P. Louise bases. They finally sold here on Morphe website, but unfortunately all the latest shades were sold out, so I'm waiting for them to restock. Now for my lid, I'm going to be using this light gold shimmer, and I'm going to apply it with a flat synthetic brush. The shimmers in this palette are very pretty. It's just my camera is not that great and it doesn't pick it up, but it looked a lot better in person. I'm using a pointed crease brush to clean it up and make sure there is no shimmer above the crease. Next, I'm gonna go with a little bit more of that dark brown shade and just blend it into the shimmer. To highlight, I'm just using my Becca highlighter because the lightest shade in the palette was a little bit too cool tone for this look. Next, I'm gonna go with this Dagger tattoo liner from KatVonD, and I'm just gonna apply a thin line next to my lashes just to hide the lash band. For my waterline, I'll be going with this Lancome pencil in Black Coffee, which is really dark brown. I'm using a definer brush to apply some dark brown eyeshadow on top of my lashes, because I feel like if I don't do it, there's always that blank space left between my waterline and eyeshadow. This helps the lower lash line to look really smoky. Next, I'm going to apply mascara and some lashes, and our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more makeup tutorials, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!